Everyone, my name is Eba Kantoma. I'm from Greatest Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, or you can even call. Okay, these are the list of softwares I've covered on my YouTube channel. They are very much available. The tutorials are there in my YouTube channel. Down below the description of this video, you'll find a link to that channel. Okay, do well to visit that channel and actually keep yourself busy. Okay, now we now teach all of these softwares on our Telegram platform for a token of 5,000 naira. Amazing, right? You can come register with us. We'll teach you how to design from start until you attain mastery for 1 month. Amazing, right? You have access to all of our tutorials. You have access to all of these softwares on one platform, and then we'll show you how to install, how to crack, and how to design with these softwares until you attain mastery for 1 month. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add your wall load, and you can add your steel roof, okay, on your design in protastructure. This is a continuity of our series on protastructure. Okay, make sure that if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. You'll see a red button down below the description, down below this video, sorry. Click on that red button and you have subscribed already. Okay, make sure you click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. Like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that want to have deeper insight in design. Okay, right now, as you can see, this is what we have been working on for some time now. Okay, and you can see okay, let me take this off. You can see this is from the 3D. If I take it now to the AutoCAD drawing, okay, from our architectural drawing, you can see here we are having a roof below. So here is actually going to be stopping at the ground floor. The whole of this here is actually going up. Okay, like now to achieve this in our protastructure, all we have to do right now is to highlight all of these beams here. Okay, now these are the beams. Sorry, I'm on what level? Okay, let me go to story 1. Okay, our roof is actually around here. So let me check that again. Okay, okay, so right now I'm going to click on just one of these beams, and then I can click this, for example, and I right click and I'll go to my edit beam wall load. Okay, click on that. It's actually loading. Okay, now at this point, okay, right now as you can see, our units, the wall unit weight, since we are actually using a 225 block, okay, it's going to be 2.87. okay, and then the wall height on each story is actually 3 meters, and then the wall thickness is actually 0.23. That's or I can say 0.225. okay, then I click on OK. Now you can see that the dead load was generated automatically, and then I'm actually going to click on OK. Now you can see I have from my 3D Now you can see there is a wall now on this beam. Okay, I can as well have a similar wall on all of the beams that are actually here that are going up. Okay, remember here is actually stopping here down. Okay, then how do I achieve this? All I have to do here is to just click on this and then I right click, then I'll go to I'll go to copy beam wall load. I've copied that. Then I'm going to click, click all of this, right click, and I paste. Now I want you to take note of what you see at your 3D. Okay, it's actually loading. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Now you can see our walls are now included, but I don't need this. I'm going to take that off. Okay, then there are so many adjustments that I might do later on this design. That is why it has what we call the prota detail. Okay, where you can actually do all of your adjustment. The environment is more like an AutoCAD environment. I'm going to be taking you through that later in this series. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to have my beams on my first floor. This will now be like my roof beams. Okay, I already have my floor beams here. I'm going to be having my roof beams at the top of these our walls. So how do I achieve that? The next thing I'll do here is just to go to my story, come to my story 1. I'll just right click on that. Come to my stories, right click on it, and I'm going to generate story. Okay, now you can see that my story 1 is highlighted. That means I'm generating my story 1. I want to generate it to my first floor, which is my story 2. So these are all the structural members that I can generate to the next story. But I'm going to uncheck my rib slab, uncheck my slab. I'm not going to be generating my slab. We cannot have slab on the top of the roof except we are designing a reinforced concrete roof, okay, which we are not going to do on this design. Right now, what do we do? Okay, I'm going to generate my columns. Okay, I'm going to take off my walls. I'm not going to generate my walls. Okay, I'm going to generate my beam. Okay, sorry, let me not generate this. Okay, let me generate my beams. I'm just actually thinking of a better solution to this. Okay, let me just generate my columns first. Okay, click and I click yes. Great. Now you can see my columns now are part of my first floor. So all I need to do now is to insert my beams. Okay, I guess I'm already go to my story 1, come to my story 2. Okay, now this is my story 2. You can see this is actually stopping down here, so don't need to bother about that. Okay, Okay, you see, like the columns here, I have to take them off. I have to take all of these columns off. Okay, just selecting them all. I'm going to take them off. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Sorry about that. Okay, right click. I'm going to be taking them off one by one. Okay. Okay, right now let's have a beam on our second floor. What I'm going to do is just go to my first floor. Well, it does not really matter what floor I'm on. All I need to do is just click on stories, right click, go to generate stories, click on ground floor, click on first floor here. Understand this, okay? I'm going to, I will generate both the rib, the beam and the wall. Okay, I will generate both the beam and the wall, but just in case you want to change the kind of beam that will be on your roof, you can as well just trace the axis and then you specify the size of your beam. Okay, you can actually do all of that. I just want to make this video as brief as possible. That is why I'm actually generating the ground our floor beams to our roof beams. Okay, but you can as well maybe later in the continuity of this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your roof beam. It's the same way you are creating the normal floor beam if you have been following in order to achieve this. Okay, I'll click on OK and I'll click and then I'll click and I close. Okay, you can see now that our beams have been generated. Okay, all I have to do is just to take off these, take this off, delete, yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Now I have my beams. The next thing here, I'm going to be showing you how to insert your roof. Okay, and to do that, on this video I'm going to be using a steel roof on this area where I have this large opening here. Okay, I'm going to be using steel roof here. So like you know, on protastructure you can only design a steel roof. Okay, you can design the timber design. Okay, on protastructure you can only do your reinforced concrete and that of steel as well. Okay, so now to design our steel roof, all I have to do here now is to go to my here I'm going to be having my U-beam. This is my beam, this is my brace, this is my here I have my trusses. Okay, and then here I have my pull line. Okay, now to do that I'll just click on the steel. Okay, sorry, click on steel beam. Okay, as you can see here, if I click here, you can see I'm having a section of this. I can actually make a choice, just click on this one option and then look at what I'm having. I can, okay, I'm just going to randomly pick this. I click on select and I'm going to rotate this and I click on OK. Now see here, now if I come to my 3D, now this is you can see this is for I, this is for J. Now the essence of these is actually to raise up a particular part of our beam. If you can see here, I'll take you back to the architectural drawing. You can see the kind of roof we're having. See here now, it falls here and it falls here. Okay, that means our highest point on this roof is at the middle, just like what you are seeing here from this section, from this elevation. Let me come here, you can see. Okay, now if that is correct, all I have to do now here is just to I'll come back here to my, then I'll click on my steel beam and then I'll change this to 1500 and then let's see what we have. Okay, sorry, I have to find the center to this. Okay, let me check what is the center of this. Let me measure this. Here to here. What do I have? Let me check. Okay, 15621. Sorry, I don't know. This is actually covering. This is covering what we have. Okay, we have 15621. Okay, so all I need to do now is just to find the center of 15621. Okay, so right now I'm going to offset this grid so as for me to if you take the center of that, that will be 7811. okay, so I'm going to type in 7811 and I type enter. Okay, now this is the center. All I have to do now is just to draw my steel beam, go back to that, I can pick a section, I click here, I will take this down. Now when selecting a section, make sure that here on this video I'm only going to be picking randomly, but make sure that your design is not just safe but as well economical. Okay, it has to be safe, it has to be economical. Sorry, I guess I made a mistake here. I'll take this off again. So what I'll do now is click on my steel beam. Sorry about the repetition. I'll click here, choose a section, I'll rotate this, click on OK. So I click here. Sorry, before that, here I'll make this 15. Now to take this other side, I'm going to make here 0. Here I'm going to make it 1005. Now okay. Okay, now this is what we have. Okay, now if I rotate this, you can see this is my steel roof. Okay, here I can actually add a line to that. All I need to do, so let me zoom this. I'll click on pull line, then I click here, then I click here, and I'll allow that to load. Okay, here you can see, and then I click on OK. I just want to maintain the default setting. I have done videos already covering what you can actually do on steel design, showing how to design your steel roof. Okay, I don't want to go into details right now, but make sure you visit my channel so as to keep yourself busy, so as for you to learn a whole lot of things that I have covered on my YouTube channel. Okay, right now this is what we have. Now we are having a steel roof here. Okay, while here I'm going to be using, here is going to be the normal timber trusses that you know. Okay, we're going to be stopping here on this series, and on our next tutorial, on our next series, I'll be showing you how you can actually come about the design of these structural members that we already have. And I'm going to be inserting our base, and then we are going to be doing the design of this, and then we are going to be seeing our design, our detailed drawing from our prota detail. Make sure that you stay safe, make sure that you stay blessed. Okay.